Worried someone might break into your Pipedrive account? Enable email verification in 2 minutes and lock it down. I know how that feels, that nagging thought that your password just isn't enough. But here's the good news. Pipedrive gives you a simple, built-in way to add an extra layer of security, and I'm going to walk you through it, step by step. So here's the plan. I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to enable it. Just follow these simple steps. First things first, let's open up Pipedrive. Head over to your account in a browser. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look at the top right corner of your screen. See your profile picture or maybe just your initials there? Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, select Personal Preferences. This opens up your account settings, where most of the important security stuff lives. Now, on the left side of that settings page, you'll see a sidebar with different options. Look for the one that says Password and Login. Give that a click. Now, scroll down the page a bit. We're looking for the section marked Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA. This is where the magic happens. And within that section, you'll spot an option called Email Verification. It might be right below other security options. Before you click anything, pause and read the description right next to it. It'll explain how email verification works. Basically, every time you log in from a new device or location, Pipedrive will send a code to your email. You enter that code, and you're in. But if someone without your email access tries to log in, they're stuck at that screen. All right, ready to turn it on? Find the button that says Enable Email Verification. Click it. A new page or a pop-up might appear. This is the setup page. Give it just a second to load. Now, follow the on-screen instructions. It'll probably ask you to confirm your current email address. It might also send a test code to that email to make sure everything works. Check your inbox, grab that code, and type it in. You might get another prompt asking you to confirm the verification process. Just say yes or confirm, whatever it shows. Once that's done, you can return to the password and login page. Look back at that email verification option. The status should have changed from disabled to enabled. And that's it. Now, every time you sign into Pipedrive from a new spot, you'll get that extra security check. You've gone from feeling a bit uneasy about your account safety to knowing it's locked down tight. I've tested this process myself, and it really is that straightforward. A little bit of effort now saves a whole lot of headache later. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy that peace of mind.